We're not here to tell you what you want to hear.
On the contrary, Rhea, you'll most likely be disturbed by what you hear. Some of you might even get angry.
And we think that's a wonderful start, Claire, because comfort is the greatest enemy of thought.
For centuries, we've thought we were swimming in an ocean of knowledge, but we're actually navigating through narrow channels presented to us. Scientific dogmas, philosophical molds, ideological prisons. Don't you think these are walls designed to limit thought?
Absolutely. Science says so. Philosophy already solved that. This is society's truth. Do you realize how dangerous these sentences are? History is a graveyard of things applauded as absolute truth yesterday, only to be called an embarrassing mistake today. The world was flat, wasn't it, Claire? We were the center of the universe, weren't we?
You're right, Rhea, but the problem isn't just old dogmas. The real danger today is the deliberate misdirection that comes with easy access to information. The echo chambers where algorithms trap us, unverified information instantly becoming truth, and worst of all, the ignorance of fitting a complex topic into 280 characters.
This is precisely where our war begins. A war against superficiality, intellectual laziness, and the arrogance of my truth is better than your truth.
That's why we didn't design this channel as a safe space. Safe spaces are for protecting ideas. We, on the other hand, want to make ideas collide. This isn't a shelter, it's an arena, a debate ground.
And this arena has one single non-negotiable rule. No video, no idea, no debate will ever be deleted from this channel, whether we like it or not, whether we are proven right or are humiliated. Claire, every word spoken, every step taken will be permanent.
Why? Because that is the only way to create a reliable resource. We can only observe the evolution of ideas, how arguments decay or strengthen over time, by hiding nothing. This is a place where we will exist with our mistakes, because growth begins only by accepting mistakes. Our goal is not to find a single truth that everyone agrees on.
Never was. Our goal is to shake the pillars at the foundation of every truth, to see how strong those foundations really are. Maybe in the end, we'll build a more solid ground together. Or maybe Claire will just leave behind a wreck. Both outcomes are a win for us.
And yes, as we have said from the beginning, hearts will be broken. That's not a threat, it's a consequence.
There's something called cognitive dissonance, that deep pain your brain experiences when you face the fact that something you've believed in for years might actually be wrong. That's what we're after, Rhea. This pain is the pain of cutting out a cancer cell. It hurts, but it heals. We prefer to be in pursuit of a painful truth than to live in a comfortable lie.
There is nothing harder than confronting your own beliefs, your own dogmas, and that's what we are inviting you to do. First, to tear down your own idols, then ours.
If you want to be a part of this intellectual war instead of just watching, if you accept this challenge, you are in the right place.
Then it's your turn. Subscribing, turning on notifications, that's the standard part. We want more from you. Use the comment section to light the first fire in this arena.
And let's give you your first task or first question. What is an idea you hold that is the most difficult to defend, but one you cannot let go of? That thought that society, science, or morality calls wrong, but you believe to be right. Write it down, defend it bravely, and watch how others tear it apart. Or maybe you will be the one to show us a truth that everyone else has gotten wrong. The floor is yours.